मैं गंभीर आरोप लगा रहा हूं, पार्टी चाहती नहीं है कि हमारी वायुसेना मजबूत हो। न हेलमेट थे, न अच्छी प्रकार के जूते थे। कल्पना कीजिए उस समय अगर कोई हमारे दुश्मन देशों ने हरकत की होती तो आज देश कहां खड़ा होता।
It is my privilege and honor to be here among the bravest men of our country. Unfortunately, does not know what men like you are going through to keep the nation safe and well. We are deeply, deeply indebted to you to have us here.
मैं सबकी तरफ से, पूरे बेस कैंप की तरफ से सदगुरु जी का, योग गुरु हमारे साथ थे, उन सबका धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Being here with the Siachen warriors, it is my privilege and honor to be here among the bravest men of our country. A proud moment for us to be here among you because most of the nation unfortunately does not know what men like you are going through to keep the nation safe and well. All the activity and achievements that we have in our lives are rooted in your service and sacrifice. Without your service and sacrifice in the nation, whatever else we are doing would be meaningless. So we bow down to you on this day.
ये एक चक्र है, आप इसे 3 बार करेंगे।
When we say you're in yoga, it is not twisting the body, doing this and that. Yoga means union, in some sense of union if you are with everything else. No matter who you are, what is the nature of your activity, what you believe, what you don't believe, it will bring light to your life, for sure. And above all, being in these cold climes, human body temperature is made in a certain way. We are not built for this climate. Of course, we cover ourselves, do so many things, but there is a way to internally develop a certain level of ushna or heat in the system. There is a system of yoga called Angamardam. I think if we bring this in its right perspective to people like you who are every day put through rigors of extreme weather and extreme levels of activity, it will be of immense help. This International Yoga Day, being with you, is a great privilege and pleasure. We are deeply, deeply indebted to you to have us here.
मैं सबकी तरफ से, पूरे बेस कैंप की तरफ से सदगुरु जी का, योग गुरु हमारे साथ थे, उन सबका धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
As per the Sadhguru Ji Maharaj, what is the similarity between yogi and a Fuji?
One thing is, I'm not a Maharaj, no kingdom, all right? And what is the similarity between a yogi and a Fauji? Both stay awake in the night. One is constantly guarding against the external enemies, another is constantly guarding against the internal enemies. And both are committed beyond their life. Whatever they're committed to, their commitment is beyond their comfort, their well-being, their likes and dislikes, even beyond life and death. For both of them, this commitment is important.